I feel I'm in the middle of nowhere.
And we're just in the middle of downtown Anderson.
Yeah. This is downtown Anderson.
Yeah, right around the corner is the city.
Yeah.
And that's our vehicle.
So right now we're in Anderson.
Anderson.
So we're from Eastleigh. We flew to Greenville, and then now we're in Anderson.
And that was like 10 minutes flight.
And then now we go back to Eastleigh.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. There's nobody but us.
That's how
We own the whole world, Nate.
Mostly during the day it's like this too.
Oh, really?
There might be somebody here, maybe not.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
But you know, like, they don't care for anybody here, because if you own an airplane,
Yeah.
you're not a troublemaker. You got money.
That's exactly how this is.
Yeah.
Come in here and take a nap until the weather clears up.
Where's my bed? Where's my bed?
There's a bedroom over there.
Oh, really?
Yes. You need a drink? What do you want? Water today. Sometimes they have
No, water's good. No, water's
They
good.
got ice cream. Every week there's different snacks.
Water's good.
Yeah.
Wow.
What are these?
This is really very, very nice.
Yeah.
It's cookies? Oh, wow.
And there's like, look, there's the Gatorade. Whatever you want. Everything usually works out perfectly.
12:30 already. Wow. That's what, 2-hour flight? Nice. Actually, beautiful weather today.
Yeah.
Yeah.